Hey, this is PlaymoBello, and this is Future Planet Set 5149 from the year 2012. We have scientists growing plants so they can create oxygen on Mars. It says Plant Lab right here, 42. Magnificent set from Playmobil. And right here, we have gems on both sides. This holder for gems. That's how they extract the gems in the little animation that Playmobil released to promote this set. We have an elevator. You can put your character on it. And you can come down as well. That's how you enter the base. And right here we have one of those battery packs with a gem inside. If you don't know how to put the gem, you just open this and align them. Just push that like that and push up. Pulsating red. There you go. That means the power inside is on. You can see that. That is oscillating red and blue. It's really awesome. And to remove the battery, you just push this down. So now that we have power in the plant lab, I will show you what it can be done with. We have a doorway that you can open, and your character can go there and water the plants or just see what's happening and how things are growing. And you can close that door and she can just be in there having fun. Let's get a better view from the under area here. You see there's a big tree in there. If you remove the base, you have this tree. Under we have some areas like this spot here where you can put wires and you can remove them and switch. Have a doorway where we can have a ramp installed, or you can install on this. Is gate A and gate B. Have a robot arm. You can rotate this in several ways, like this, up and down, all the way down. And what you can also do, you can remove this robot from there. You can have it installed down there as well. You can do anything really. You can have the arm over here. You can move it to where this light is or where this turret is. It doesn't really matter. It's weapon for as long as the power is oscillating. It means the base has power, and you can, let me show you better. And you can point to RC cars and KO them. They actually die off for a few seconds and cannot move. This area here, we have a light. You can turn the light on and move it the way you prefer to have it. The only thing that's a little annoying per se is this wire. It's pretty long wire, so I put it around the base so it's not on the way of things. We have a computer right here, and like I said, you can just switch things around. Now the computer can be on this side here. And the computer is one of those removable computers that you can just hold on the Playmobil's hand. Over here we have a satellite. Can rotate, can go up and down as well. Solar panel that actually powers the fan. Approaching with a light bulb. There you go. This is an LED light, so I have to be that close to get it on, but you know, if you get far away, it stops. Outside with this is probably going to be rolling with the sunlight. If you want to play, of course, you can remove this top. Now you can access all the features of this base. This area here where I just put a gun, of course the computer part. There's this area where you can put your gems or tools, whatever you want to store in there. A connection here to either turn a gun on or a light so you can move those. I went ahead and switched it for you. I plugged it in here and connected there, and now the lights over here instead of over here. Then in here we have several slots to put whatever you want. I put some tools. This is another connector for a turret or a light. It's up to you what you want to install there. We have a fire extinguisher. This is so you can open the door. It opens in a nice futuristic way here. This area here, you can put several items on these walls. If you walk this way, you have the hanger A that you open and you can get out of the base. Of control panel to access and program the whole lab, and it comes with these panels that you can switch. You can switch all of these panels. He has a nice keyboard. Look at that. Chair rotates a little bit. Hanger B. Have the tubes that oscillate these lights, and you can put these wires on them, and you can just be like, oh, it broke and now I have to reinstall a new wire and do some maintenance in the area. All those plants growing inside. The view of the front side of the panel, of the front hanger. You have a slot for all your weapons right here. Is another way for you to enter the base. Looks like with the ramp installed on hanger A, just so you can see, a lot of accessories. We have the jet that can become a wheel jet or a flying jet. We have 2 battery packs, 8 power gems, a box container to put all of the gems inside. We have 5 of these screens that you can install on your control panel inside the lab. This is the car, the flying car. We have a video of that where you can watch. Enemy base and the enemy base captain maybe. I think the growing tree. Robot, that's another set that we have a review in this YouTube. Have a fire extinguisher, a pistol that connects to a wire, a small pistol that does not connect to wires, a cool looking laser or ray. It does connect to the wiring. You put in the back there if you want to. This to grab gems. Maybe the gems are radioactive and you can't hold it with your own hands. It connects to a wire in the back. And we have this sort of GPS detector something. It could be also a gun or whatever. It does not connect to wires. And a lantern flashlight. Pure panel. This also connects to the panel of the lab. Here are the 4 characters with their headgear and watches and computer wrists and belt accessories. This is the mini jet in its dismantled form. The wheels you just attach like this on both sides. It has a little thing here. I don't know what that's for, but it has it. Now he has his little wheelie. And put the wings in there. You have a propeller that you can put in the back as well. Now, and you have propellers, hovercraft blades, and just stand. You can just go 3 people in one place. Looks like someone broke the robot arms. With their removable accessories, and you can see their full emblem. I don't know why this robot is trying to be backwards. A headset with a belt accessory. I forgot to remove his wristwatch, just noticed. She has a headset and 2 green gloves. The elder man has a headset, a computer wrist, and a wristwatch. He has a headset, and the robot has the legs armor, the shoulder armor, and 2 gloves. Looks like they're all ready to work at the plant lab today.